The American Revolution, often romanticized as a struggle between British redcoats and American patriots, involved a diverse array of participants from different ethnic and national backgrounds. Among these were the Scots Brigade, a lesser-known but significant group of soldiers of Scottish descent who played a notable role in the conflict. Origins and composition. The Scots Brigade, also known as the 84th Regiment of Foot Royal Highland Emigrants, was formed in 1775 by Lieutenant Colonel Alan Maclean of Torloisk. Maclean, a veteran of the British Army, recognized the need for a regiment that could harness the martial prowess and loyalty of Scottish immigrants in North America. These recruits were largely drawn from Highland Scots who had settled in the American colonies and Canada, many of whom were former soldiers from disbanded Highland regiments after the 7 Years' War. The regiment was split into 2 battalions, the 1st Battalion, stationed in Nova Scotia, and the 2nd Battalion, primarily active in New York. The brigade's composition reflected the widespread Scottish diaspora in the colonies, comprising men who were familiar with the rugged terrain and who brought with them a fierce loyalty to the British Crown. Role in the conflict. The Scots Brigade saw action in several key campaigns and battles throughout the American Revolution. Their first significant engagement came in 1776, when they participated in the defense of Quebec against the American invasion led by General Richard Montgomery and Benedict Arnold. The Highlanders' tenacity and military discipline were crucial in repelling the Continental Army and maintaining British control over Canada. In the southern theater of the war, the 2nd Battalion of the Scots Brigade was instrumental in the British campaigns in the Carolinas and Georgia. Their presence was particularly felt during the Siege of Charleston in 1780, where their efforts helped secure a major British victory. The brigade's knowledge of guerrilla warfare and their ability to adapt to the challenging environments of the American South made them a formidable force against the Continental Army and local militias. Challenges and contributions. Despite their successes, the Scots Brigade faced numerous challenges. Recruitment and retention were ongoing issues, as the harsh conditions and prolonged separation from families took a toll on the soldiers. Additionally, their loyalty to the Crown often placed them at odds with fellow Scots who had joined the Patriot cause, leading to a complex and sometimes strained dynamic within the Scottish-American community. The contributions of the Scots Brigade extended beyond the battlefield. They helped to fortify British positions and maintain lines of communication in remote areas. Their presence in Nova Scotia, for instance, was pivotal in deterring American privateers and safeguarding supply routes. The brigade also played a role in fostering loyalty among other Scottish settlers, providing a rallying point for those who remained steadfast in their support for Britain. Legacy. The legacy of the Scots Brigade is a testament to the diverse forces that shaped the American Revolution. While they did not achieve the same level of fame as other regiments, their impact was nonetheless significant. After the war, many members of the brigade settled in Canada, contributing to the development of the nascent Canadian society. Their descendants today can trace their heritage back to a group of soldiers whose commitment and resilience left an indelible mark on the history of North America. In remembering the Scots Brigade, we gain a fuller understanding of the multifaceted nature of the American Revolution and the varied contributions of those who fought in it. The Highlanders' courage and loyalty are a reminder of the complex loyalties and identities that characterized this pivotal period in history.